Here's how you can make clip art on Midjourney to sell on Etsy. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can make a clip art and then sell it on Midjourney. So yeah, make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So yeah, watch each and every step carefully to exactly know how you can sell your own clip arts to make money. So yeah, as you can see right now that I have Midjourney right now and I can use it. But how do you get Midjourney on your Discord? First of all, you need Discord to use Midjourney. After having Discord, Midjourney is very easy to use. Just go ahead into your favorite browser and search up Midjourney. Once you search up Midjourney, just go to their main website. Alright. Once you go to their main website, it will show something like this, as you can see. So just press join the beta. Once you press join the beta, it's gonna open the Discord app for you and it's gonna join it for you. But I've already joined it in my Discord, so I don't need to. But yeah, once you have joined it in your Discord, what you have to do is just go to some of these newcomer rooms. So once you go over there, as you can see, the people are already using this Midjourney AI to develop their tools and make pictures and clip arts. So I'm not exactly make a clip art just for you guys. But before making a clip art, you basically need to pay them because of their new rule. You have to actually pay them, pay the Midjourney to get clip arts. But how do you get a clip art? Just press slash on your keyboard and you will see the option of imagine. Once you press this, you just need to fill out the prompt. So just give it as much as detail you can to make your clip art. So as you know that people buy a lot of superhero stuff. So I'm just going to make a clip art of a Spider-Man jumping and running. So I did that. And now I'm just going to give it some details in 4K. High texture. And give it some more detail just like that. You can give as much as detail you want. And when you do that, just press enter. And as you can see, it's sending the command. It gave me this option of subscription required. So if you are really and you want to make a clip art, so just go ahead and subscribe to their Midjourney. So as you can see, once I press manage account, it will just bring you to this subscription plan. So they got 1, 2, 3, 4 plans. Well, the first one is called basic, so you get some limited generations, then a standard, then a pro plan, and a mega plan. So it's up to you, whatever whatever you'd like to use. If you are really for like for a small job, if you want to like do some very basic stuff, just go ahead and go for the basic stuff. It's for $8 a month, and it will give you limited generations 200 and general commercial terms, access to member gallery and optional credit top-ups, and then in the end 3 concurrent fast jobs. But here you get 15 hours fast generations and unlimited relaxed generations. So it's giving you more relaxed and more enjoyable experience in the standard plan. Then you got pro plan, and the things from here get expensive, as you can see, but they give you more perks. So if you want more perks, just go ahead and pay them more money and you will get the best plan called Mega Plan, and you get 60 hours of fast generation, unlimited relaxed generations, and general commercial terms, and access to member gallery, optional current, and you get many more. But I don't like see a difference between them much, pro and mega. You just get a 30-hour plan on the pro plan and a 60-hour plan on the mega plan. So if you're like really going for it, just go ahead for the pro plan. Alright, so once discussing that, you just made your prompt. Let's say I have a prompt, so I'm just gonna download someone's random prompt. Let me find one. This one looks good. So you can download the prompts very easily. Just check them out if you don't like the work. And yeah, I could just basically use them. And I'm just gonna save this one right here. So I'm just gonna save this image straight ahead. And as you can see, I have saved the image. So once you have saved the image, what you have to do is just go to a Prettyfy. So you want to sell your clip art, right? So you can basically use your clip art anywhere by just using it on a cup or maybe a fleece. Whatever you want to use it on, it's good. So let's say I want to use it on a cup. I want to use my design on a cup. So how do you do that? So we just go ahead and Prettify and press start designing. So once you press start designing, just go ahead and from my device, copy from my device and put it right over here. That the clip art that you had. I'm using this picture as an example. I took it from Midjourney. And it's loading up. Let's just wait for a few seconds, and here we go. It's loaded up. So just fix it how you like to, and how it's about your choices. It's how you like it or not. It's whether up to you. So yeah, I think this looks pretty much good. Yeah, I think this pretty much looks perfect. So what I'm gonna do is press save product. And here we go. As you can see that we got our clip art in our cup, and it's looking pretty cool. So once you do that, just connect it to your Etsy or Shopify account. How do you do that? Just go to, as you can see that I have a store, but once you press add new store, it'll just bring up Etsy, TikTok, and many other shops. Just press on Etsy. Once you press on Etsy, but yeah, be sure that you have your Etsy and you have a shop. So how do you make a shop in Etsy? As you can see that it has shop preferences. In the first option, you have to put in the shop language, and then shop country, and then shop currency. So just put in if you are in any of these selected countries, as you can see. So it's only available for a few countries, just like Vietnam, United States, UK, and Turkey, Ukraine, and many others shop countries. So you could just be in one of these and just make your account, and then it will ask for your shop name and your stock your shop, and then it's gonna ask how you'll get paid, and then set up billing. So I'm just gonna press save and continue. Let's just say English and select a country. I'm just gonna select US for this time. And then it's gonna ask for your shop name. Just go ahead and put in your shop name. And here we go. Now we got a name, and then it's gonna ask for your create listing. So you got this cup, so just make a listing. But yeah, once you connect it already to your Etsy store, it won't ask for the listing. So just make a random listing for yourself. After that, you could just put in many different stuff, and then after that, it will ask you how you'll get paid. And then you can just set up your billing and then your shop security. So this process can take 1 to 2 days, and it's gonna you can use some money on it. Once you have done the process, you could just basically connect your Etsy account from here. You'll be able to connect it right over here. Just press grant access, and as you can see, it's authorizing. And here you go. You have now selected and made a Etsy account. So just go ahead and put it in that product that you had in your gallery, or whatever you want to say it. So we don't have products right now, but I had it in my preview. Yeah, but like once you've done that, just basically import the product to your store, and you're good to go. You'll be making money soon. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can make a clip art on Midjourney and sell it on Etsy. So I hope I helped you guys out, and that's it for this video. Until then, goodbye.